Hi friends! So this will be my first video. Not sure how many more. Let's see how this one goes. But I wanted to start with something simple and delicious. I wasn't much of a coffee drinker. I was more of a boba tea person. And once I've tried this particular coffee brand and coffee bean and made Vietnamese coffee with it, I've just absolutely loved it. And I wanted to share this with you, how to make Vietnamese iced coffee using fresh whole beans espresso blend from US Roast. I absolutely love the flavor, taste, and aroma of this coffee bean. So what I have here is a whole bean, and I'm going to be using the pour over method. So I have the pour over apparatus right here, and we definitely need condensed milk to make a Vietnamese coffee, and I have a coffee grinder, and I've already got it set to the grind level and amount of grind that I'd like. Okay, it's going to be pretty loud, but I'm going to run it and then we'll measure. Okay, so that's done. You can see there are the coffee grinds right in here. Very nice and smells really good. So I get the coffee in there, and I'm gonna use, and I forgot to show you this earlier, this gooseneck kettle. Be exact, I'm gonna bring the scale out again, and we want to go get about 225 grams of water. So I'm gonna zero this out. Okay, and now I have hot water dispenser here. I'm gonna try to get 225 grams, as close as possible to 225 grams. Okay, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. All right. And we're just going to slowly pour this in, and we try to pour from the outside in and not too fast. This is kind of like a slow pour because you want to keep the coffee concentrated in the middle. You don't want to pour all the water in at once because they're going to spread, and it won't be as strong if they're not concentrated in the middle. So this needs a little more effort and time, but it's still pretty simple. If you don't have time, you can go ahead and pour all the water in at once. It'll hold, and it'll still be fine, but this way you're sure to get a pretty concentrated brew. Okay, so you just kind of wait and let it finish dripping. Oh, excuse me. And while that's going on, you can pour the condensed milk into a glass. All right, so I've got the condensed milk right here, and I usually like to use my mason jar. It's already got the measurements in there. And this is 4 ounces, this is 2 ounces right here. You probably might not be able to see it. That's 2 ounce mark. So you just pour the condensed milk up to the 2 ounce or less if you want less sweet, or more if you want more sweet. I'll just sort of eye it. So I'll keep that spoon in there because I'm going to use it to stir up the coffee, stir in the coffee. Okay, so it looks like it's done dripping. Okay, I'm going to take this out and dump the coffee. And then we're going to pour this right into here. I'm just rinsing out my carafe right now, the pour over coffee maker. And then we will stir it up. This just smells really good. I have the label cane syrup on there because I was using this to make cane syrup. And that could be another recipe demo in the future. How to make cane syrup. Stir it up real good. You can drink it warm, just like this, or pour it over ice, which I usually like to drink it over ice. So I shall get myself a glass. This is not professional video or anything. It's just me sharing some random recipes. There you go. Vietnamese iced coffee. Stir it up. Get it cool and voila. Vietnamese iced coffee using espresso blend. Whole bean, fresh, and delicious. Enjoy!